What coin should we trade this afternoon, this evening? Mm, you can see Bitcoin is actually following principles the way we planned it. It's all about following principles. Principles. It's all about following principles. Where's the next order block? The next order block should be here. Let's go to a 4-hour time frame. So where is the next break of structure going to happen? The next break of structure is going to happen here. This is a 4-hour time frame, and if you can see, there is a resistance and there is a support triangle that I drew there. You can see it. This line, the diagonal line is for support. This line here is for support. This one is support, and this one up here is for resistance. You can see it. Let me shrink it so you can see where it has mitigated. It has touched this upside, and let me draw the line again so it will be visible to everyone. This is a trend line now. Bitcoin, this is a trend line of Bitcoin right now. This is a trend line, and why I do it like this is because here now you can see it's a reversal. It's actually an ending diagonal. You can see for a while it has been coming down. It has been coming down, and it has come down now to form the five waves, the A, B, C, D, E waves. Trying to refresh what we discussed yesterday. So if you were not here before, I'm trying to go through. You can subscribe and follow me. Subscribe, and so that you won't miss out whenever I will come here. We are expecting a very big move in Bitcoin. So this is an ending diagonal. When the diagonal is over, the move is going to occur. So if you are not online, you won't understand what we are saying. So this is A, then this is B, that's 2, then this is 3, and you see the third one has just hit the line, the diagonal line. It has hit the diagonal line, so the trend line, and what it's going to do now is going to reverse. It's going back down. So what I'm going to do now, if you want to enter a trade, this is the best time to enter a trade. You can see there is going to be a break of structure here. There will be a break of structure. A break of structure here. Let me draw the break of structure line. There's going to be a break of structure here. So we're expecting this trade now to break this structure. Is either it breaks this structure or go out. Now the frame we're looking at is here. We're looking at this whole frame here. So is either it breaks below or above. So below or above. Either it breaks below, above this, or below it or above it. So, but based on our setup, it's going to be a downtrend. A downtrend. Why? Because it's an ending diagonal. It's an ending diagonal. So, on a smaller time frame, this is a H4 time frame. That's 4-hour time frame. On a smaller time frame, see there's a higher high here, a higher low here, another higher high here, then on a higher low, then it formed another higher high here, which touched the trade line, that is also a resistance line. There is also a resistance line. So what do we do? And if look at what happened at the top, it formed a double top. Let's go to the 1-hour time frame. You can see what it did here. A rejection, 3 rejections here, and it came down, formed a lower high here, and broke structure here. Now look at what is happening now. It has come to this place. Now it has reversed back again to retest here. Now what is it doing now? It's reacting to this other block here. There's an other block. There's another block here. This is another block. This is another block. So you can see that it has touched the other block and it's going down. It's going down. So what are we expecting? We're expecting it to come and break this structure here. We're expecting it to come and break this structure here. This structure here. So this is the lowest low right now. So we're expecting, this is a 1-hour time frame. We're expecting it to come down to this point and break the structure. It has to break the structure because it's the lowest low here. So what we are expecting, we're expecting a break of structure. It has tested the other block already and it's coming down. So you can enter a trade now on Bitcoin, because on the 1-hour time frame, if you want to enter a trade, you can actually still check the 15 minutes time frame, and you see that it has mitigated this other block up here, and you can see a long wick has been formed, and the lower low of the wick of that particular candle has been broken down. Now you can see the last candle is a red candle, which is a bearish candle. So I believe now, I'm very sure that the trade is coming down. It's going to come down and break this structure here, and break this structure. Bitcoin will do wonders soon. Bitcoin will do wonders soon. Hi, I can see you. Hello. Anita Rodriguez, I can see you. Yeah, this is Bitcoin USD trading pairs. This is Bitcoin USD pair, and we are on a trade right now. We just entered the trade right now, and you can see that this has just touched the other block up there and it's coming down to come down and break this lowest lower low, the previous lower low. So it's just being patient. You can see the 200 EMA, which is the gold line, has crossed the 50 EMA, which is the purple line. So I'm expecting it to come down to this line. Let's wait and see. If you are on trade, if you're on your chart, you can enter a trade now. it's safe to enter a trade, then you can put your stop loss above this other block, above the other block. 63137, 63137. 63137. That's it. 63137. See where my stop loss is. You can enter the trade now. This is the best time to enter a trade. You can see it has touched the other block and it's going to break this lower low. It has been doing it. See, it is a 1 hour time frame. A higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, then lower high, lower low, like that, down. So it's going to come down to this. Let's look for another block here. There's an other block here. I think this other block has not been mitigated, but it doesn't seem likely to. What makes another block valid is if there is a break of structure. A break of structure before the other block. It has not been mitigated. You can see it clearly that it has not been mitigated. So there is a break of structure here. There is always a break of structure. After a break of structure, a structure has been broken. It has to come down back to where it broke the structure and look for a demand zone or a supply zone. Then it takes, because that's where the money is, it goes there, pick whatever he wants to pick, all the money he wants to pick there, and go back to his direction. Most times you see another block is disrespected is because of the power of the market at that very particular time. If the market is so strong in the bullish or in the bearish movement, it hits very hard and crosses over the other block, disrespects it, and look for a stronger other block. So do you want to enter a trade now or not? You don't have to be scared to enter a trade. Set your stop loss just above the other block, a little bit above the other block. Take an entry, but be very sure. And if you want to take entry, always make sure you take an entry in the 15 minutes time frame. Like I said, in the 15 minutes time frame. How do we get to this place? I used Elliott waves. I use Elliott wave a lot. If you want to learn Elliott wave, you can actually DM me and then we can discuss from there. Please like and subscribe, share. It goes a long way for me. It gives me the courage to come online to teach that which I know. So, and it has been working for me. So I would like you to help me subscribe, like, and share. Patience. That I will not be silent, and I will always worship you. As long as I am breathing, I will always worship you. This is my worship, and all of my worship. This is my worship, and all of my worship. You are the reason I live. You're the one for me. You're the one for me. You are the reason I live. Pedro, hi. You're the one for me. The only one for me. Why should I fear when I have you? Surrounded by your love, your everlasting love. Why should I care what people say? They don't know what you mean to me. They don't know what you mean to me. Hi. Please like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. Why should I fear when I have you? Surrounded by your love, your everlasting love. Why should I care what people say? They don't know what you mean to me. Say they don't know what you mean to me. They don't know what you mean to me. Why should I care for you when I have you? Surrounded by your love, your everlasting love. Yes, I'm trading. I'm in a live trade. This is Bitcoin USD. Bitcoin USD. Bitcoin USD. Let me zoom out to a higher time frame so you see what is happening. What's really happening here is that there is actually a trend line. There's a trend line here. I'm trading Bitcoin USD. This is a daily chart. I'm trying to show you, to zoom out and show you what is going on the trade. Most times, if you see a very long trend, maybe downtrend or uptrend, always check towards the ending of that trade. Let's go to a weekly time frame so you see clearly. You can see it has been a downtrend for some months. It has been a downtrend for some months, and it has been forming a higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, like that. Now, what it's going to do is it's going to form what it's doing after the apex of this trade, the whole of this trade. At the top of this trade, that was where the trade ended. Then it started reversing. And anytime there's a anytime a trade reverses, it's called corrective wave. So correctional movements are very dicey. So you can see for the past few months, what month was this? Where did it start from? Now it started from September 2025. Since September 2025, Bitcoin has been falling. From September on Sunday, just like today, Sunday, on the 14th of September 2025, Bitcoin started dropping, dropped and dropped and dropped, and Bitcoin is dropped. Now this is July 7th, the 5th day of July 2026. So from September till today is about approximately 7 plus, that's 11 months. So for approximately a year, Bitcoin has been dropping, and it has dropped and it has formed. There's a pattern you need to understand in this trading. It forms A, B, C. A, B, C. Let me draw the ABCD on this wave, on this weekday week trading chart, weekly chart. See, you can, let me remove this. This is an Elliott wave pattern I'm using an Elliott wave pattern to guide you. No shadow you won't light up, and mountain you won't climb up coming after me. No, I won't kick down, I won't tear down, coming after me. No shadow you won't light up, and mountain you won't climb up, coming after me. No, I won't kick down, I won't tear down, coming after me. No shadow you won't light up, that mountain you won't climb up, coming after me. No, I won't kick down, I won't tear down, coming after me. All the overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love of God. And he chases me down, fighting, I'm leaving 99. I couldn't earn it, I don't deserve it, so you took my sins away. No shadow you won't light up, and mountain you won't climb up, coming after me. No, I won't kick down, I won't tear down, coming after me. No shadow you won't light up, and mountain you won't climb up, coming after me. I know I won't kick down, I won't tear down, coming after me. All the overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love, God. He chases me down, fighting, I'm still the 99. I couldn't earn it, I don't deserve it. You are mighty, you are glorious. You are lifted up above. You are mighty and you are glorious. You are lifted up above. Lord, we worship you, Almighty God. You are lifted up above. Lord, we worship you, Almighty God. You are lifted up. Bitcoin wave. The wave is a downtrend right now, and we are concluding on the wave C. We are concluding on the wave C. If you don't understand what waves is or what waves are, wave, we're talking about Elliott wave. Elliott wave.